Just kind of thought I'd do a little POV driving on the ST. My windshield wipers suck. Kind of wanted to test out the audio on these glasses, these Meta smart glasses, and see if it's something worth filming some personal content or some POV content with. Just gonna pull up here and do a quick little launch. Obviously the roads are a little wet, so it's gonna be a soft launch, but we'll get a little pull in real quick. As you can tell, it's nice and windy today. This is a intake exhaust tuned on 93 octane by ZFG, lowered with wheel spacers. Full weight. Usually I have car seats back here. It's a little messy right now. I've been working out of it the last couple days. So yeah, nice little pull with the Meta AI glasses.